Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. Guess what we're doing? Yes, we are going to do a quick get ready with me doing all Barbie colors. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me with these trends. Last week I did the latte trend. This week we're going to do the Barbie trend. So that is what we're going to do. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm like so excited, girl. It has been years, I'm talking years, since I've been to the movies. And honestly, I'm going with my daughter. I'm shocked. She doesn't even like movies. She can't sit still in a movie, so she hasn't gone to a movie in a long time. And to ask her mom to go with her, yes, I have no idea about the movie. I really don't care about what the movie plot is. I'm just glad I'm going on a date with my daughter. So excited. So what I'm going to do is when I did the latte video, I didn't wear any foundation at all. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just do a little spotty spot here with the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer, and this is an N3. We all know the story about N3, and if you don't, go back to my videos. I will link that video below. Yeah. I just got out of the shower. My hair's still wet. I have no idea what I wanted to do with it. I should have like not washed it and like just because it was dirty, girl, like real dirty, and just put it up in a high ponytail, but I washed it, so that's okay. I'm gonna try and keep this down because I know I always block everything. Yeah, so I'm like so excited to go out on a date with my daughter. Again, I really don't care about the movie. I'm sure it's good. I'm hearing good things about it. While I'm here, I might as well just use this. No, I'm not gonna use it under my eyes because I really want to hone in on the eyeballs. So let's just leave it like that for now. I was on vacation when this launch came out. I was in Florida. I had my alarm clock on. I came away from the pool. This is the Jacqueline Cosmetics Bougie Rouge collection. I got mine in Rouge Affair. Look how, girl, is this not like so stinking appropriate? Look at that. Matches my shirt. Anyway, so I want to use this as an eyeshadow. I also want to use it as a blush. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to do like a liquid eyeliner wing. All about the eyes, girl. Ooh, and we may even throw a shimmer. Did I bring a shimmer? I did-ish. So that is what we're going to do. You know what? I think I'm going to go in with French Kiss first, right over here, just to put like a lighter base underneath. Yeah, let's do that. But anyway, yeah, like I'm so super excited to go out with her. Like I said, she normally doesn't like to go to the movies, let alone asking her mom. You know, she's 23. She'll be 24 soon. So, you know, they don't want to hang out with their moms anymore. But they'll come around. But anyway, yeah, so I figured we might as well get it decked out, right, girl? We might as well play the part. And here's the funny thing. She can't stand pink. She is not a pinky girl. She's actually, which this has nothing to do with anything, but I'm just saying she's actually a fashion designer in New York City. And you know, she's always in black, but she's a beauty. She sure is. Okay, this is perfect, right? Yeah, that's nice. I want to go in with a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the A502 from BK Beauty. And let's just go in. Let's just do it. I'm going to go super heavy on the lids. Oh, hell. That's so pretty. I'm going to go downstairs and she's going to say, Mom, what the hell? What in the bejesus? But we're going to do it. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Yeah, and that's it, girl. I'm wearing this cute little top with a pair of black leggings and my sneakers. That is it. And I do have a lipstick here that I got on Amazon probably a year ago. I don't even know if it's available anymore. I hope so, but it is the Colourpop Barbie collection. Go figure. What a coinky dink, right? So if it's still available, of course, I'll have it linked below, but how appropriate. Ooh, that's so pretty. You know what? I think I'll go in like up here with my bronzer, but let me just make sure I go up high enough, because you know, girl, I have hooded eyes, so you gotta make your own stinking crease. Listen, by the end of this video, if you see me with a different eyeshadow, she'll be like, Mom, I can't go out with you like that. But I don't think so. I even told her, I know you don't have anything pink, but at least wear pink eyeshadow. Right? Okay, that is really nice. I think I'm gonna go in with this same brush. No, I take it back. I'll go in with the original brush, and I have my Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer here. I'm gonna just take it and swirl it, and just give myself a little bit of something, something. Yeah, a little bit of something, something. You know what? All the way up to the brow. Right? That's pretty. Anywho, leave some comments down below. Has anybody watched the movie? Anyone interested in it? I know a lot of people have been doing these trends. Girl, not our age, but I figured it's cute. I like to do trends. Girl, it's only makeup. We're not killing anybody. All right, cool. So that is nice. I'm gonna go back in with this brush because I just want to make this a little bit softer. Okay, cool. Where is the, oh, here. So I have this highlighter from Flower Beauty. How cute is this? This is the Pyramids Cheek and Color highlighter in Rose Glow. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like this over here. Ooh, actually I'll take them all. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna see if it gives me enough shimmer on the lid. Not really. Let me see if I could find some more shimmer. I'm gonna just, of course, do the same thing on this eye. And then, I mean, it is pretty. It is pretty, but I want something zhuzhy. Maybe we'll do like this in the inner corner. So let me just step off real quick and see if I can find something zhuzhy. I'll be right back on something perfect. My Tati Beauty. Every time I want something zhuzhy, I go for her. I'm gonna use this right over here. This one right over here. And yep, there's the glitter. And I'm gonna, yes, look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just, oh, sweet boy. You wanna leave Marma? That's because he smells something downstairs. What do you think? That's pretty. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Let me just clean up a little bit underneath the eyes. Let's see. I'm going to just clean this off right over here. I'm going to go in my under eyes with the Maybelline Eraser in 160. It's got a nice pink hue to it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We're going to do that. Boyfriend, what's the matter? All right. You need to go? Okay. I still tell you, this formula, this 160, is very creamy. The other ones are not creamy like this. Let me let this poor lover out. Hold on one second. And I'm just gonna go in with my NARS, the cream bronzer, go over it with the Glowish. Back in with the Rouge Romance for the blush. What should we do? Let's go with this one right over here. By the way, the eyeshadow color, the first color was called French Kiss. The really deep color was Forever, and this one right here is Fantasy. That is so pretty. That is so, so pretty. I'm gonna go all the way up to my temple and really close to my under eye there. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with this highlighter. And I think I'll just go all the way around. I'm gonna just tap it. And just tap a Rooney. I'm scared about the eyeliner. I don't want to mess it up. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay. First, I have to set my under eyes because I could already see it creasing. Yes, ma'am. I don't know what's up with that little lover. He wants to come in, wants to come out, wants to come in, wants to come out. I don't understand. And I did not bring my brush. So I'm going to just use a regular eyeshadow brush. I'm going to just put some Charlotte Tilbury underneath the eyes. You know I'm not a powdery girl. Oh, so just a little bit. Oh, don't forget I have to go in my inner corner. Ooh. Let's see here. Look, let's try it. I have the Bite. I hate to do it because I don't have any liquid eyeliner. And I know Bite Beauty is no longer in business, but that's the only thing I have. Any liquid eyeliner will do. I have to lean in, girl, because now I'm getting nervous. Now I'm going to get nervous. So I'm going to just go really, really close to my eyelashes. That's really cute. I just want to sharpen that up just a little bit. I don't want to go in. Let me see if I could just... My nails are atrocious. Cute. Okay, I did it. I'm cleaning my garage. And it's a disaster. Okay, I have to redo that side. Ugh, one side never comes out the same. Right? Do they ever come out the same? Probably not. I could clean that off here. I think I have to redo that side. Okay, that took about a minute or 7 or 12 or 20. Okay, I'm just going to go in and do my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I just want to, I think, grab just a brown liner just to line my lower lash. Oh, you know what? I brought some. Huh. I'm going to grab the, I have the Too Faced Killer liner in Killer Espresso, which I love. I'm gonna just tight line real quick, and I like this particular one because it bleeds into my waterline, so I think that would be so cute and perfect for tonight. Yep, see how it already starts to bleed out? And I think I'm gonna just put a tiny bit. Messy, girl, because we're gonna smudge it out. Just like a tiny bit like that. And I'm going to just take this little smudger brush and just smudge it out, because you know we're going to put a little bit of pinkety pink underneath there. Yep, that's perfect. I'm sorry, I know like I have my mirror super close and it'll like distort, but I gotta see. Like I got to see. Let's see here. Okay, that is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I think I'm gonna take, did I have any highlighter other than this? I don't think so, but I'm gonna try and take like the highlighter up here, just from my inner corner. Let's see. Ooh, that is so pretty. Yes, ma'am, that is so pretty. I think I'm gonna also put that up here under my brow. I don't know what the hell my problem is lately. You know I have never liked that, but look how pretty that is. Okie dokes. Just a tiny bit. Okay, let's go in under the eyes. I'm gonna just take the same brush. Actually, I may put a little bit of highlighter on there because you know I love the shimmer under the eyeballs. I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna take the same color, I think, the Forever, and just smudge this out underneath. Ooh, look how pretty that looks with the highlighter. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's so nice. Look at that. Okay, Rosie, made yourself a little concoction. Ooh, that's so pretty. Let's Do the lashes. Girl, I'm gonna put these on, just one on the edge, because I can't do the whole thing, girl. I mean, you saw that, girl. I was dying editing that video, by the way, because oh my god, it took me forever. So I'm just gonna go in. Did I bring mascara? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, I did not. I'll be right back. I'm going in with my favorite. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I love this doggone mascara, and I love the bristles. They're so nice. I love spending time with my kids. You know, but they're at that quirky age that sometimes they want to spend time with me and sometimes they don't. But any chance I can get, I'm going to take it. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And let me just assess. Let me just go back in just with my sponge, just to make sure everything is blended in. That is so pretty, right? Do I want a little bit more pop on the apples? Why not? Why not? Ooh, damn, I am pinkety pink pink. I love it. Okay, you know what? Frig it, let's just do it. Okay, let's go in with just one lash. I got my little handy dandy tool here. And let's do the long one. I had no idea, if you watched my video, that on the cover it said medium and long. No clue, because I was like, they look the same, blah, blah, blah. Cute, right? Cutie patootie. It only took me forever. And let me just go over here. This side always seems like it's a little bit easier. And I just like to use my fingers, because when I use that metal thing, it comes right off. Oh my god, my nails are so nasty. Okay, so that is that. That looks so stinking cute. Let's do the lips. How appropriate. Let me just show it to you in 1 second. Let me just take off my lip balm. So this is what it came with. How cute is this? This is the Colourpop Barbie collaboration. So there's the lip liner, and here is the lipstick. Do they have names? Let me see. The lip liner is called Golden Peach. They're called Golden Peach. So that is what we're going to be using. I don't know if it's pink enough, but we're going to do it because it's Barbie. Pretty, 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 pretty. I love this lip liner. It almost looks kind of orange though, right? I don't know if I like that. I do have this lip gloss. This is a gloss that I got, I don't remember. Limelight by Alcone. I don't know. We'll try it. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. I have no idea if this is still, I have no idea where I got this, but any pink will do. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is my final look. I think it came out so cute. Let's see. Look at those eyes. I think it came out so cute. So that's it, guys. This is my Barbie trend. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye. By the way, the movie was so good. I was so choked up at the end of the movie, and by the time I got home, I was bawling my eyes out. I'm so glad I got to share it with my daughter.